G'day folks. When I first got one of my lathes, the cams in the turret that lock the tools in place were pretty terrible. You can see at 3 o'clock on most of them there's a crack. So I bought some new ones and replaced them, but they really were never quite right. The cams actually protruded above the face of the turret itself, which means that when you go to mount something like this, a boring bar holder, using the M4 thread in the middle of the tool slot, you end up with the tool that's pointing downwards. So at great expense to the management, I made this really super grinding jig, which I used on the side of this grinding wheel. I had to take about 0.2 to 0.3 off the front face of each cam. When I finished with the cams, I put a file on the turret face, and there was quite a lot of deformation around where the cam had been acting, as you can see here on 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So I flattened them off a bit with the file so it was all nice and smooth, and then I ran a deburrer around the U shape. Now in the future, should I ever get this turret working again, at least I won't be having to put shims in the lower side of drill holders to bring the drill up so that it's actually drilling horizontally. My next task is to helicoil those 8 M4 holes in the middle of the tool slots, and if you know the significance of the pink grinding wheel, could you let me know in the comments what it means? Thank you.